Now, in our next episode, let's jump right into our case. So, there was an urgent motion to set aside judgment. Na final mong to ang judgment. Ambot nga no, but let's read. So, 1 year later, the petitioners filed an urgent motion to set aside entry of judgment. No? Nanagoy entry of judgment. Ta-attain na og finality ang decision. No? Niya, on the ground that the lawyer, di lang to i-mention ng ngan, out of, let's just be sensitive, no? Hindi ta gusto makadungog sa tungalan kung ana. The counsel of record was not furnished a copy of the resolution. So di nila sala, no? Daw. Denying the motion for reconsideration. So their lawyer, dili na nato panganlan, ilang counsel of record, wala daw makadawat. So di nila sala. Muna na final kay wa sila maka-apilar. And this is not unlikely, no? Sometimes this happens. So kakadawat. Na final na lang. Swerte kung daog. What if pildi ka? Patay. So in the absence of such notice, the decision of the appellate court did not become final and executory. So mo mong gunay kanang principle sa immutability of judgment. Once ma-final na, di na ginani mo ma-usab. Except for certain exceptions like clerical error, typographical error, na yung mga Supreme Court decisions on that. That's for another topic. Okay? But for this video, naka-attain of finality, but their defense is what may kadawat. They did not receive or the copy of the resolution denying the motion for reconsideration. So how can they appeal? Bring it to a higher court? How can they initiate remedies and prevent finality of the decision if in the first place they have not received a copy of the resolution? Sometimes these things happen, no? So, ikaw kliyente, ayo po duda dayon si mo abogado. You can always go to court, check kung labay gadawat, labay proof of receipt, no? Kay malay mo, imong lawyer, wa sa gyud kadawat, imo nang gidudahan, naabiging ana. So, before magduda, try to verify. You can always go to the court where your case is pending. Nam na yung mga court personnel. They are very helpful. They have their records. You can ask. Just be nice and respectful. Okay? So, in the absence of such notice, ilang defense is the decision of the appellate court did not become final and executory. Natural. Kung ako basad, ako kadawat, kung saan ako pag-apilar, kung saan ako pag-initiate of remedy to reverse the decision which is adverse to my client. Di dyan na dapat ma-final. But let's see kung say order sa Court of Appeals, sa appellate court. So the Court of Appeals set aside and lifted the entry of judgment and directed the clerk of court to furnish petitioner's counsel a copy of the resolution. So meaning it is true. As far as the records of the Court of Appeals was concerned, wa gyud di ay kadawat ang kadtong abogado sa petitioners. Mauna nga na final, no? So the Court of Appeals set aside, syempre, it would be unfair not to set aside the judgment if in the first place wala di ay sila kadawat, no? So they should receive the resolution in order for the judgment to become final and executory, no? So the Court of Appeals set aside and lifted the entry of judgment in that case and directed the clerk of court to furnish petitioner's counsel a copy of their resolution which is adverse to the petitioners, no? So, for the petitioners in action, despite service of the resolution, the decision became final and executory, and the entry of judgment was again made in the land registration case. O ikaniwa na kay rason. Ngano wa magyapong kani action despite being served a copy of the resolution. Kani sa kaso may gitag service. Kung mo-file ka sa korte, before dawaton sa korte, kailangan nimo tagaan og kopya ang imong kalaban, imong kaatbang sa kaso para patas. Kabaw siya unsay imong submit sa korte. Okay? So later on there was change of counsel and etc. So wala na sila magkasinabot siguro sa ilang petitioner side. O takabaw, nagilis man og abogado. So through their new lawyer, they filed with the Court of Appeals an urgent motion to recall the entry of judgment which was denied by the appellate court. Nasabtan. So what happened to their denial? Let's see, no? Sa sunod nga video. Medyo mataas na ni. Liso di-upload sa Facebook kung sa isuran po ko upload sa website kung taas ang video. Maski nindot to gagmay. So, as usual, may advocacy. Kung di ka first-timer dire, please contribute. Dili kwarta ha. Link. gov.ph website. Latest updates. Diba? Ako'y mubasa para ninyo. Ako'y mo explain. At the same time, ako, inform po ko. Diba? And we can also help others avoid mistakes. No? So, this is our co-learning channel. And our advocacy, my advocacy is to share to others by letting you know about the latest updates, Supreme Court decisions, so that you will learn how to avoid. You and me, we will learn how to avoid land disputes. And if you are already part of a land dispute, choose peace. Peaceful method, peaceful ending. Okay? So this is my email address. Tanawa na lang sa akong Facebook page na siguro da akong email address. It is Juliet Alpha November Romeo Uniform Zulu Lima Alpha Whiskey @gmail.com. Ang akong gi-request nga contribution, not money, link to a gov.ph website. Care of recent updates, Supreme Court decisions, kaya ako ga-monitor po ko kung sa mga latest Supreme Court decisions. Dire lang sa ako ang hilig. Ayaw ko tagay og link sa election cases, link sa child support, di man ako na linya. Dire lang, kanilang ako ang hilig ba. These stories that I try to keep track. So, kanang sa mga lain nga topics, dito na mo na sa lain nga abogado. Pangita o channel. Basta kani atong co-learning channel, kuan lang, real estate law, succession, inheritance, settlement of estate, partition, ejectment, recovery of possession, may ana lang nga type of cases. Ang ako pangayo, kana ba mga issuances sa mga DAR, DNR, other government agencies involving land cases, transactions, mga DARAB cases, share mo og link kanang gov.ph website para dali na ko ma-authenticate. Okay? So I'll see you in the next video. Let's see kung nag-grant ba ilang motion for reconsideration na deny on sinaytabo. Definitely ma-deny gyud na kay final na gud ang decision. But let's see. Hinabot mag Supreme Court, nabaliktad jud siguro. So I'll see you in the next video.